everyone, welcome back to Homebody. This is Forlisa. So in this video I'm going to be doing two things. I'm going to be giving you guys just a brief little tour of what I've done here in my kitchen. Just a brief, not everything, just a couple things that I've done in the kitchen. And then I also want to do an unboxing of this Pinchme box that I received from Pinchme. Pinchme reached out to me and asked that I do an unboxing on my channel, and I'm just curious to know. I was just curious to know what it was all about, so I went ahead and said yes. Now, Pinchme is something that's available to you as well for free. It was free for me, and it also can be free for you. I'm going to leave a link below if you're interested in getting the box and reviewing them. They just want you to review the items, to try the items, and do a review of the products to let other people know if the products are good and worth purchasing. So let's get started on what's in the box so we can move on to the kitchen items that I've done. So the first thing that I have here in the box, this is actually like some cushion for the back of your heel. Let's say if you have like some irritation from your shoes rubbing on the back of your foot area, you can use these. These are like for medium support, seems like. And then the next thing that they have in the box is actually some organic brown rice. And it looks like it's in a microwavable package. It's something that we can use if we're lunch takers at work. And then the next item they have is some native deodorant. And it's a coconut and vanilla smell. This looks like a trial package. Now this looks like a full package here. And this also looks like a full package, but this deodorant is a trial package. And then we have here some Moroccan, some hair treatment here. Now I am trying to go natural with my hair, so I may try this to see if it'll soften up my hair. And then here is a container of some charcoal for oily skin. And then the next item that's in this package is some Dove exfoliating body polish. Now here is some coffee, some 1850 Defolger Pioneer Blend coffee. This is actually a hair mask. And then here is some tea. They actually have an immune support tea in here and an energy support tea. Now I could use both of those, especially the energy, because I need some energy. And then they sent me a welcome card. So again, I have the link below just in case you're wanting to try out some of the Pinchme product. If you want to subscribe, it doesn't require a credit card or anything like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and get started on the home decor portion of my video. Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody. So this is an extra video that I decided to do because I didn't have any plans to do this video. But since it's so pretty and I think it came out super cute, I just had to share this with you guys. So basically, I took my normal tray that I use in kitchen for my kitchen vignettes and whatever, and I placed it's a styrofoam arrangement in here. There's a square styrofoam arrangement with some picks stuck in it. I actually ended up adding the little twinkle lights here, and I added these little balls here. These balls, these are actually styrofoam balls here. It was a bag of them. I have no idea where I purchased them from, but I've had them for a couple of years. And this is an ornament that came with the actual arrangement. And what I actually ended up adding to this arrangement are the reindeer. These reindeer actually came from Hobby Lobby. They're actual ornaments that I end up just sticking in here just to make it like a little town of some sort. And here's another one of the reindeers here. And this is a bigger reindeer that actually came from Home Goods. It's like a fragrance like diffuser or something. And the actual silver homes actually came from Target's Wonderland. And the Christmas tree, I actually have it sitting on a candle holder, came from Home Goods. And I have some little tea light candles inside of here. And since I'm showing you guys this little vignette that I have going on here, I'm also going to show you the other side of my kitchen counter and what I've done to my kitchen counters for Christmas. So this is just one side of my kitchen cabinets here, and the other side is over here. I have another little setting over here. I have just an ornament here. This ornament actually came from Family Dollar, I think last year, and I just have it sitting here. And then I have a reindeer that I've had about 8 years or so that I purchased from Home Goods. And I have a Christmas tree in the back that I've also had for a while, came from Home Goods. And I have the apple and pears. These actually came from Z Gallery. They were fall items, but I'm using these for Christmas as well. And this bling placemat, I have these. I've had these for quite some time. They actually came from Home Goods. Home Goods had these in the square and the circle. They also have the runner. I actually got the runner from Ross. And I also have this snowman and Christmas tree glow. So I winded it up so you can see how the snow is coming down and you can hear the music. I think that is so cute. My grandkids love that. I had to end up putting it in a high spot so they can leave it alone because they want to twist the music all the time and they're going to end up dropping it. But so I put it so they can't reach it. Yeah, so that's that area there. Now over here I only have a little mirror stand with a another Christmas arrangement. Some of that garland from Walmart, that flocked garland. I added it, and I actually had this up here last year, and I added the twinkle lights as well to the garland. I think this is so cute. I love that, you guys. I know I don't have it up there really neat because I just have it up there. I fluffed it out really good, and I just wrapped the lights around some of the garland area. So I have these little lights up here. I showed these to you guys before, but they come with a remote and you can change the colors from red to blue to green. You actually can make them dimmer here, or you can actually lighten them up. I have a remote here, and I love these. I'm a lights on. I like to play with lights on and off or whatever. And what color? Those are green. I need to stand back here and change all the rest of them green because I want to show you guys how my kitchen area look with the lights off. So yeah, so this is my kitchen with the lights off, my twinkle garland up there. And what I like about the lights up here is these lights come with a control as well to where I can change the setting. See, I changed the setting there, changed the setting there, I changed the setting again and again and there. Now, I like it when it's twinkling. Okay, right now I have them all red. Right now I have them all green. And now I have them all blue. So those are the areas that I've decorated in my kitchen for Christmas. Now I do have my tablescape going on over here, and I do have some items on top of my refrigerator for Christmas. I'll show you guys a tablescape when I do a tablescape collab with, I think there's a tablescape collab coming up with Kimberly Design on the Dime. I'll be doing that with her, and I'll show the rest of the kitchen when I do, if I do a full home tour. So anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.